House washing in Austin, Texas, is essential for maintaining the beauty and value of your home. Austin House Washing Services offer comprehensive solutions to keep your property looking its best. With the humid climate in Austin, mildew removal and algae removal are crucial to prevent damage to your home's exterior. Soft washing Austin techniques ensure that your siding cleaning Austin needs are met without causing harm to delicate surfaces. Residential pressure washing Austin plays a significant role in protecting your home's exterior while keeping it pristine. Driveway cleaning Austin, Texas is a must for homeowners looking to enhance curb appeal. Driveway cleaning services in Austin use advanced pressure washing techniques to remove stains and grime. Stain removal Austin, Texas is particularly important for maintaining the pristine look of your driveway. Concrete cleaning Austin services are equipped to handle even the toughest stains, ensuring your driveway looks brand new. Residential pressure washing Austin services ensure your driveway is cleaned thoroughly and efficiently. Roof cleaning in Austin is vital for prolonging the life of your roof. Roof cleaning services in Austin use specialized methods to remove algae and mildew, preventing potential damage. Algae removal Austin, Texas is a common service needed due to the local climate. Soft washing Austin is often used for roof cleaning to ensure a thorough yet gentle cleaning. Residential pressure washing Austin ensures that your roof is properly maintained, preventing buildup and damage. Deck washing Austin, Texas is perfect for keeping your outdoor spaces inviting. Deck washing services in Austin use pressure washing to remove dirt and debris. Patio cleaning services Austin are also available to ensure your outdoor areas are ready for entertainment. Patio cleaning Austin services focus on removing stains and mildew, making your patio a pleasant place to relax. Residential pressure washing Austin is ideal for deck and patio cleaning, ensuring your outdoor spaces are spotless and safe. Fence cleaning Austin, Texas is essential for maintaining the appearance and longevity of your fencing. Fence cleaning services in Austin use pressure washing to remove dirt, algae, and mildew. Mildew removal Austin is particularly important for wooden fences, which can be susceptible to rot. Pressure cleaning Austin services ensure your fence remains in top condition. With residential pressure washing Austin, your fence stays clean and durable. Gutter cleaning Austin is a necessary task to prevent water damage to your home. Gutter cleaning services in Austin remove debris and ensure proper water flow. Exterior cleaning Austin, Texas includes comprehensive gutter maintenance to protect your property. Residential power washing Austin, Texas, including residential pressure washing Austin, can also include gutter cleaning as part of a complete home exterior cleaning package. Siding cleaning Austin is crucial for maintaining your home's appearance and structural integrity. Siding cleaning services in Austin use soft washing techniques to remove dirt and mildew without damaging the siding. Mildew removal Austin is a common service due to the humid climate. Home exterior cleaning Austin services ensure your siding remains in excellent condition. Residential pressure washing Austin helps maintain your home's siding and prevent mold buildup. Window washing Austin, Texas is an important part of maintaining a clean and bright home. Window washing services in Austin use specialized equipment to ensure streak-free results. Exterior cleaning Austin, Texas includes window washing as part of a comprehensive cleaning package. Residential pressure washing Austin services can also include window cleaning to provide a complete home refresh. Pool deck cleaning Austin is essential for maintaining a safe and attractive pool area. Pool deck cleaning services in Austin use pressure washing to remove algae and stains. Algae removal Austin, Texas is particularly important for pool decks, which can become slippery and hazardous. Surface cleaning Austin, Texas ensures your pool deck is safe and inviting. Residential pressure washing Austin ensures your pool area stays clean, safe, and ready for use. For top-notch house washing in Austin, Texas, look no further than our expert services. Our Austin house washing services ensure your home exterior cleaning is thorough and effective. We specialize in soft washing Austin techniques to protect your siding while removing dirt and grime. Trust us for all your residential power washing Austin, Texas and residential pressure washing Austin needs. Driveway cleaning Austin, Texas is essential for maintaining curb appeal. Our pressure washing services Austin are designed to tackle even the toughest stains. Whether it's oil, mildew, or algae removal Austin, Texas, our team has the expertise to restore your driveway to its original condition. Choose us for reliable driveway cleaning in Austin through trusted residential pressure washing Austin solutions. Roof cleaning in Austin is crucial for prolonging the life of your roof. Our soft washing Austin methods are perfect for removing algae and mildew without damaging your shingles. For comprehensive roof cleaning in Austin, rely on our experienced team to keep your roof in top shape with our residential pressure washing Austin services. Deck washing Austin, Texas is a must for preserving the beauty of your outdoor spaces. Our deck washing services in Austin use gentle yet effective techniques to remove dirt, mildew, and stains. Trust us for all your deck washing Austin, Texas needs to keep your deck looking its best with professional residential pressure washing Austin support. Patio cleaning services Austin are vital for maintaining a clean and inviting outdoor area. Our patio cleaning Austin experts use advanced pressure cleaning techniques to remove stubborn stains and grime. For patio cleaning services Austin that deliver exceptional results, contact us today and experience the difference residential pressure washing Austin can make. Fence cleaning Austin, Texas is an important part of home maintenance. Our exterior cleaning Austin, Texas services include thorough fence cleaning to remove dirt, mildew, and algae. Choose our fence cleaning Austin, Texas services to enhance the appearance of your property using expert residential pressure washing Austin methods. Gutter cleaning Austin is essential for preventing water damage to your home. Our gutter cleaning Austin services ensure your gutters are free of debris and functioning properly. Trust our team for reliable gutter cleaning Austin to protect your home from water damage with thorough residential pressure washing Austin services. Exterior cleaning Austin, Texas is our specialty. We offer comprehensive home exterior cleaning Austin services to keep your property looking its best. From siding cleaning Austin to window washing Austin, Texas, our team has the skills and equipment to handle all your exterior cleaning needs. Discover how residential pressure washing Austin can completely revitalize your home. Siding cleaning Austin is crucial for maintaining the appearance and integrity of your home. Our siding cleaning Austin services use safe and effective methods to remove dirt, mildew, and stains. For siding cleaning Austin that delivers outstanding results, choose our experienced team and take advantage of our residential pressure washing Austin expertise. Window washing Austin, Texas is an important part of maintaining a clean and bright home. Our window washing Austin, Texas services ensure your windows are spotless and streak-free. Trust us for all your window washing Austin, Texas needs to enhance the beauty of your home with professional residential pressure washing Austin techniques. Mildew removal Austin is essential for a healthy home environment. Our mildew removal Austin services use advanced techniques to eliminate mildew from your home. For effective mildew removal Austin, rely on our experienced team to keep your home safe and clean, supported by expert residential pressure washing Austin.